How many times this thing got stuck on you? Either won't open or won't close. These are the replacement ones from Amazon. Like I said, it's about $3 to $5 for this package. What you want to do, if you have long nose, small long nose pliers, and you're going to get on both sides of that thing and squeeze, and as you squeeze you can push it down and out. Just like that. You can see this one has gone bad. And that's the mechanism. So now what you do is you take your new one and make sure it clips on to the little tab coming off of the sunglass holder right there. So you'll be facing the right way before you put it in. You see right there? It's locked, unlocked. So this is the direction we need to do it in. And then what I do is I just line it up with the hole.
Yeah.
It's right on where the hole is. And then I'm just going to press down on the outside of it and it pops right in. And there's the new one. Now, you can see it's working flawlessly. You just put it back by hooking up all these cords, and then it easily snaps back into place. For years I've been told that this cannot be fixed and you have to replace the whole console, which costs anywhere from $300 to $500 depending on where you get it. This was a fix for under $5, and I hope it helps somebody. It definitely helped me. If you like this video, let us know. There you have it. If it goes bad again, I've got 4 more I can replace it with. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like what you see.